Did you know a man stole £460 million from his own employees and was buried as a hero? Robert Maxwell built a media empire that stretched across continents. Behind the headlines, he was quietly draining pension funds belonging to 32,000 of his own workers, using their retirement savings to cover his collapsing debts. Then, in November 1991, hours before the full scale of the theft was set to go public, his body was found floating in the Atlantic Ocean. No criminal ever stood trial. The workers spent years chasing partial repayments, and whether Maxwell jumped or was pushed remains genuinely unanswered.